In past 20 years, water heater is the main home appliance used by every human being. There are some faults occur in the water heater such as electric shock, high voltage of current or storage of water. To overcome this fault, we are going to create a home automation via internet.
Nowadays, sensors can read the brain and can converse as a human. Internet of Things plays a vital role in today's and future lives of humans.
Hardware components are MSP430 F5529 Launchpad provided by Texas Instruments. Wi-Fi module CC3100 provided by Texas Instruments. Power supply 12 volt and 1 amps. Water heater. In water heater, the thermistor is inserted inside the water heater which is used to indicate the heat.
Now let us see the proposed method block diagram. MQTT is the Android mobile application used in the Android mobile phone. The whole system will access through the internet of static IP address of 192.168.1.6, which is loaded in MSP430 Launchpad and Wi-Fi booster module of CC3100. Thus, when a message is passed from the user, the water heater responds to that message. Thus, a conversation between an user and a water heater takes place. The Android mobile application which is used in our project is MyMQTT, which is available in the Play Store.
Now let me share about the connection in which 12 volt 1 amps adapter power supply is connected to PIC board. The PIC board is 12 volt to relay on and off purpose, and power supply split with the 5 volt microcontroller MSP430 and 5 volt Wi-Fi booster module.
Wi-Fi booster module acts as a transceiver. The cross connection is made between MSP430 and Wi-Fi booster module. Microcontroller is programmed in the form of string. What is the process done in string? It converts binary values to string. The speed of MSP430 is 1 GHz, so the transmitter between the Android application MSP430 Wi-Fi module is much faster. Calculation of degree Celsius. Input signal from the water heater is given to MSP430. Analog to digital conversion. We are using 8-channel pin. The 8-channel pin is used to calculate the digital value. We need to calculate the temperature to find the degree Celsius. Temperature value is calculated by 100 into 8 divided by 1024. The 8-channel pin is calculated by 8 divided by 256. Thus the calculation of temperature is sent to Android application. Thus the analog to digital conversion are programmed in the MSP430 microcontroller.
View of our project in which Android mobile application is used by the user. The name of Android mobile application is MQTT app, which is available in the free Play Store. MSP430 Texas Instruments Launchpad M5529, which is used in this project as a microcontroller, and public broker ID is iot.eclipse.org, which is loaded in MSP430 microcontroller as a programmer. The same public broker ID is given to the Android mobile application, and the port number is 1883, which is given as default in MSP430 microcontroller. The same IP address is loaded in Wi-Fi modem CC3100, and the same IP address is loaded as a program in MSP430 TI Launchpad, and the same IP address is loaded in MQTT. The IP address is 192.168.1.6. Let me come to the water heater. We are going to insert a thermistor inside the water heater, which is used to indicate the heat. The heat is indicated with the help of 3 stages: normal mode, moderate mode and vacation mode. The 3 modes are sent as a message to the Android mobile application, and we will get the notifications between a user and a water heater. The outcome of this project is the conversation between the user and the water heater. The public broker ID iot.eclipse.org is programmed in MSP430 microcontroller, which is given by Texas Instruments, and the Android mobile application has the same public broker ID. The default port ID 1883 is loaded in the MSP430 microcontroller, and username is Vignesh, and password is which we have been loaded in this Android mobile application. The subscriber is the name which is programmed in this MSP430 microcontroller is Wiki. I have stored these 4 messages as an default messages in the Android mobile application. Now let me publish this to the MSP430 microcontroller as good morning. As soon as I send a message, we get a notification called message published. As soon as when I sent a message to the MSP430 microcontroller, it replies as a very good morning Vignesh. That's the conversation between the MSP430 microcontroller and an Android mobile application. Now let me type the message as hi. As soon as we send a message, it publishes the message and we get the notification in the dashboard as hello. When I sent a message on publish, the message has been published. When I sent an on message, the water heater automatically ons, and thus the information is passed through the microcontroller, and microcontroller notifies me the message and it displays me the normal mode at 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you for Texas Instruments for conducting the project contest, which helps us to show the platform of our talents, and we thank you our project guide Mr. K. Bhaskar, who was helpful throughout the project, and to Department of ECE in Powai College of Technology.